Potato.
Yay!
You're a
I'm
potato pirate.
I'm taking another short turn to do one thing, and then you can play. Because your turn took 2 anuses and a monkey's butt. That's a unit of time.
That's because you told me to take the fire truck.
You shouldn't have listened to me.
Take the fire
you
truck.
shouldn't have listened to me.
Fire trucks are slow.
But that did
yeah.
Wait, what are we Why am I in the pen guard out in the harbor?
Because you died in the cities.
We built this city.
No!
No, actually we didn't.
No. So. Okay. Leave. What are you doing? Stop doing donuts.
I don't know where to go.
You were right at the entrance, you... What? Ladies and gentlemen, just cause two. Hey, don't finish my sentences.
Hey, don't start mine.
Hey,
hey,
you're an adultin.
Abby.
900. Actually, it was 90.
Who texted him?
Text.
Who was it?
Tree. The tree did it. So did the payphone.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a baseball bat in the studio.
Out of my way!
Cool. Are we gonna play baseball?
Bum 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 bum. This isn't America?
This is not. Did you say this was America? I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
You said it.
Everywhere.
Oh. Yes.
Everywhere's America.
Everywhere is America.
God bless America. No, titty fucking. Anyway.
Isn't it like part of America or something with the storyline? Or something?
No. The CIA just wants to expose it. I'm getting honked at!
Stop honking, Morgan!
It's not.
You're gonna make us die again!
I can.
Because he has to text now.
I can
while driving an icebreaker.
I can
breaks
drive.
Ice.
I can drive. Don't worry.
Drive.
I'm not drunk. I can do it.
You're drunk and you're driving while texting.
It's not my fault.
We're gonna die twice.
We're
gonna die twice as hard.
Don't worry, I can do it. It's a
And
Chevy.
we're gonna kill children because they're gonna see the ice cream truck and run at us.
Why would you do that? He sent me one that said this. Oh shit! This is fast ice.
What the hell, Bryce? You're gonna kill us.
This is one fast ice cream truck.
Tuck, goodbye, bye.
Oh!
Tuck, bye, bye. Yay.
Some kids wanted their ice cream.
What does that even say?
Something in another language.
Probably just ice cream.
But I would assume. Ice. Oh!
Oh, we got an astronaut.
Move it or lose it, asshole.
You extended that a little too much.
I swear to God.
And this is why we love Just Cause 2. Goodbye, Pole.
Do you remember me flying in the city?
Yeah. We gotta show them the tuck, fly. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We gotta do it. But don't do the boom boom, because that costs me money.
No, I'm just gonna fast travel out of here.
Okay. Fast travel to
I swear
a
to
good
God, if I
location.
read this in its prices, I'm gonna kill it.
It's gonna be, this is a text.
There's 7 of them!
Keep spamming him! I wanna die again. It felt so good.
It felt so good the first time.
Oh, the adrenaline was
My
amazing.
stomach was exposed. I feel immodest. For our Islamic viewers.
I got to see your insides.
I swear to God, if Wes doesn't stop texting me, I'm going to strangle him with his own shit.
Here's an idea. Smash your phone.
It's
then
a
you
cat
have no
phone!
problems.
It's a cat phone! I will break his head! Remember?
Whose head? Oh! Yeah, it's a brick. Bam, bam.
No. Bricks tremble in fear.
Bricks do tremble in fear. That's like 2 bricks.
And a bus.
And the bus.
Uh-oh.
It's just cause. It's fine.
Yeah, you just gotta hit the center button, and
it loads.
Oh!
I'll imitate Morgan's phone for the day. Honk!
There's Jesus!
Honk.
No.
Honk.
I'm going to ignore all of them.
Honk! Yay. Oh, shit. How'd you get so high?
I followed your brother.
Oh. I hope he watches this.
I doubt it. Jared probably has better things to do.
Jerib.
Oh yes, Jared.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I
Get a
forgot about-
tuck.
I don't know where to find one.
Tuck.
I don't see
I
it.
sound like an alien. Tuck. Honk.
Fuck. Tuck fuck.
Where? Tick tock. The
Oh
mouse
my
went up the clock.
God, I am
Okay.
going to punch all of you in the
Where is
scrotum.
a tuck?
Actually, I
God
can't do
damn
that.
it, tuck. There's a bike.
Tuck,
There's never a tuck when you want a tuck.
Oh,
But there's billions of tucks when you don't want a tuck.
You know what?
Oh, tuck. Moscow. Moscow.
Moscow. To Moscow I came.
What?
I came
What
in
did you just say to me?
I came in Moscow.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
You don't need to tell me that.
Oh! I can't drive that there.
And you actually have a license. What is wrong with you? What have you done with your life?
I drove to Moscow on a tuk-tuk.
Oh, okay.
Are you guys still sending the messages?
They,
I will
now
punch-
that you mentioned it, he's going to.
I will punch
So
you.
that's your own fault. Good job.
I will punch you
Have
all in the
fun.
scrotum,
Your life is now going to be 10 times worse than it is already.
including the female present.
Yeah.
Punch you in the
Yeah.
scrotum.
Well.
You do not have one. That's why I said it.
Yeah. Payphone.
Propane.
Propane. You don't have a tuck. It's not gonna work.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do?
You're gonna Mountain Dew.
No, I'm gonna get. That wasn't funny. I'm gonna get the propane. I'm gonna get the propane. I'm gonna take it with me.
Propane and propane accessories.
What is that from?
King of the Hill, man.
I love that show. That was
where's a tuck when you need one?
I always liked his exterminator friend.
What? That is a hearse. It is a hearse.
I need a truck.
You need a tuck.
Truck.
Tuck.
Hey,
You could just like smash this car up a bit more, and it will turn into a tuck.
I'm towing propane.
That's all you need to do.
Get out of the fucking way.
Moo.
You know what?
Can you just use a bike? Wouldn't it work better?
Let's just start the booster.
Start it up, man. It's not gonna do anything. That was completely pointless. You ruined the surprise, Morgan. What's wrong with you? Bike.
Fine.
Just use the bike. Oh, it's a Moscow. Even better.
Compadre.
Moscow. Kill. Yeah.
See ya.
Tremble in fear of my
Of the
Moscow.
Moscow.
How'd you know what I was gonna say? What the hell?
We're in sync.
We are in sync. Press B. Whee! Oh, press B again. There you go. Run away! Yes,
My
run
little
while in a bike. Makes sense.
Well, it's just cause.
Anything can happen in Just Cause.
And you know what's really weird in this game?
What?
When the
What? Tell me, Morgan. What?
when the
What?
Shut the fuck up.
What is it, Morgan?
I'm on a tree.
What is it?
No.
Tell me, Morgan. Tell me now. Tell me.
Fuck off.
Why aren't you telling me, Morgan? Tell me it now.
Because you won't shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Tell me now.
Okay.
Please, tell me. I want to know.
Fuck
Tell
off.
me. Whee!
I want your bike.
You can have it when I'm done with it.
I'm driving my bike.
Into the water. Oh, there's no water.
Nope, into the.
Into the grass. Shaking your ass. Go faster! Faster! Faster!
Sonic X.
Faster! Oh, you're dead.
I went
Ragdolls!
fast.
Yay.
Where's the bike?
I want to go fast.
Will Ferrell, I love you.
Yay! Faster. That's a palm tree. Good job. Fast, fast.
Come
fast,
on.
Fast, fast,
Come on.
Fast, fast.
Come on.
Come on now.
Catch a ride!
Yes.
Oh, I'm on a
Beautiful.
military vehicle.
Beautiful.
So I automatically die.
Jumped. Nope. Never mind.
I forgot that. When you're on a military vehicle, you
Smart.
automatically get heat.
Smart, Morgan.
Yeah.
You're smart. You're SMRT. What just happened? Physics.
Physique.
Physics.
Physique. C'est French physics. You know what?
For all of you that have not taken physics class, that does not actually happen in real life.
You know what? I'm gonna die.
No shit.
I know what it is.
There's health though, right there.
No,
if
I'm gonna die.
you want to die. Whee!
Eat.
My microphone has feelings, you know. What the
No,
hell?
my
Continue game. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Should be
go.
called
Let's
Ernie and
go.
Bob.
Let's
I'm gonna
go.
look at
Let's
this and it's
go.
gonna be. Guess how many messages?
5,000? Or just 5?
This is a text. Stop reading this. Read this, then stop reading this. Yes, put this down. And now, no. Honk, give Matt controller, please. Cause YOLO.
Hey, he did it.
You know what-
without reading it.
you know what
He
Wes
read
said?
it through his mind.
You know what Wes said?
Truck.
Blank, 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 blank. Refreshing, blank, refreshing, blank, refreshing, blank,
Are
refreshing.
you a friggin' computer? What's wrong with you?
He had to refresh his
You got a
blank.
buffer? You got a buffer too?
I have
Yeah.
a buff anus.
Buff. I'm very buff.
I'm
No,
Jordan
I'm
von
not.
Strangle.
No. Let's go off the cliff. Woohoo!
I believe I can. How many
Stop.
minutes are that, Bryce?
Wah! Bleh.
Break the fourth wall. No one cares. 44. Ladies
No
and
one
gentlemen,
gives a
we're at
shit. No
we're
one
at
gives a
44 minutes.
Fleur,
We're gonna
fleur.
curtail this in about. 15
What is
minutes,
going
just
on?
letting you know.
Do you see that? Like freaking out. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? That what?
It's just some shitty recoil.
Get off! Oh, I forgot that guy's mine. I thought he was a bad guy, so I ran him over. I thought he was doing like the Halo thing where he gets on the tank and destroys my vehicle.
So, Matt,
yes.
Matt, we need the ultimate goal.
Ultimate go. Okay. I know exactly what to do.
What are you gonna do?
Exactly what to do.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
Exactly. Exactly what to do. What? I'm not putting my ding dong in a hole. What?
So,
What is your idea of a good video, Bryce? What is this?
my ideas?
Why?
My
I'm not
ideas.
doing that, Bryce. That is... My wee-wee will not go into that hole.
My idea is pornography.
Mile High Club. It is a mile high. Officially. It's a known fact.
Let's get someone to
You know?
step in for me for the
Known
next
fact.
5 seconds.
Are you doing a rape train?
Wes,
What
you
is
wanna
this?
sit here and say
What is this?
I'm gonna
I'm-
pretend to be the
I'm
controller
on
person.
a club and it's mile high.
Whoa, man.
Whoa, man.
Feels nice to be back in the
Oh
video.
God, I'm gonna die.
Don't die, man. Don't die.
I'm not dying. Not today.
Oh.
Okay, let's do some pole dancing. I gotta show them in my inner stripper, you know.
Don't tell me you. I forgot. that was your
Ladies,
day-
ladies, this is my time to
I keep
shine.
forgetting that's your day job.
Get off.
Oh,
Get off. This is my time to shine.
Man, you gotta share your spotlight with them
Du-
sometime.
du- du- du. Oh yeah.
Stop showing them
So
your day job,
sexy.
man. Even though it's
So
nighttime.
So sexy. So sexy.
So sexy.
See,
I'm
look.
watching you guys on the gamer capture thingy, and the volume for the voices go up and down and up and down.
Thank you, Mr. Obvious. Look, they're so generous. They're giving me their bullets.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're paying you. That's what
they're
it is.
paying me in bullets.
It's just very painful
Look,
money.
I got too much money that I died.
Live streaming.
I got so much money that it killed me.
That's just
You know?
so stupid.
You know? That wasn't even that exciting, so I'm
No.
gonna go back.
I have.
I'm gonna go back and make it more exciting.
Why don't you just pull out your
Yeah.
ding dong for them?
My ding dong, but there's no cam for them to see my ding dong.
They don't have to see the
We
viewers.
can arrange that.
We can arrange it. Oh
Ding
yes.
dong cams.
Okay. Ding
Hey,
dong,
guys,
the witch is
guys,
dead.
Guys,
Yes.
the more you yell, the more it looks like an African flag because it's.
Ah!
You guys are gonna hate us for that.
I am on cocaine.
Ah! Ooh, ah, ee, oh, ah, ee, ah, ooh, ah.
You guys don't know we're on cocaine, do you? What editing do you need to give it, Bryce? That doesn't
We
matter.
must break the sound barrier. Help me, Bright. Or not Bryce.
What?
Wait,
Oh, break the
everyone
sound?
quiet for 5 seconds.
Okay, quietness.
Sorry, I failed.
Bum,
No,
bum,
no,
ba-dum.
seriously, be quiet.
Oh my
Be
god.
quiet for 5 seconds.
I'm sliding. Eee.
Just shh for 5 seconds.
And you see,
Roly
that's what
poly
happens
oly.
when you give cocaine to cocainers. Does that make sense?
Now this is a real stripper.
Come on, start paying them.
Yeah, just for your information, everyone, we are not, in fact, on cocaine.
You don't know about all of us.
No,
Don't
we
do
are
drugs,
not on
kids.
cocaine.
Yeah, don't do drugs.
Don't do it, man.
As
It's not
President
worth
Reagan
it.
once said,
You're not-
drugs are bad.
Okay.
And then he died.
That was Reagan?
No, then he died of Alzheimer's.
Where is it at the other side? I guess it's at the
That's
other
close.
side.
LBJ said that too.
Let's go to the back, the rear end.
Or you could also say the rectum.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this shit.
Let's go
Dur-
somewhere
dur- dur-
where
slowly.
we probably will die.
Look, it looks like a retarded face. Those are the eyes, and that's like a mouth doing the.
So I guess it's your face too?
Doing the troll.
So your face?
Yes,
These
That's
hurt my
Yes.
ears if I put them on.
Just let it drop and then give
that's
it
what
gas.
I'm doing. Oh, okay.
Let go, let go. No gas, no gas. Let go of gas.
I said it's broken. I did not hear it.
Oh, let go of the gas, man.
I'm not hitting anything except
Oh,
for
it's the-
turning it.
And now gas and pull up.
I am a meteorite. Wah!
Oh, shit!
Yeah!
There's a Jamaican on the plane, Mom!
Time to kill the Mile High Club. It's been here too long. It needs to die.
After this, everything
Do you
will
think
go
they might
black
be
and
safe?
fuzzy
Do you
and-
think-
This will be my greatest moment in my entire life.
You remember to dock well.
Yeah!
Matt, fall to your death and then it will end.
We will slowly die.
Hey, look. I want to look at me. Let me look at myself.
But you're so ugly you can't.
Look, I'm so fabulous. Fabulous. Yeah, I'm fabulous.
Sure you are.
I'm a flying squirrel.
You're beautiful.
I-
I can't.
Look at this. We just need like ballerina music in the background.
You see all the darkness there? You see all the darkness? That's how beautiful you are.
Whee!
You're so dark we can't even see it.
Ah!
And Bryce, it's all over.
Look at the fishies.
Yay,
Look, there's so many
the
fishies. I have cups on my head. Okay.
Or heads on your cup.
Okay, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, guys. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Hold on.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, guys, about the audio if we break your ears.
Everybody.
Bryce's
everybody,
fault. Hey,
I have to say something.
Guys, you know I'm beautiful, but I have,
No, you're
to
not.
go.
No, you're not.
I'm sorry.
I have to say something to the people.
The people need you, Morgan.
All right, Wes, can I just see this for a minute? No. I need it for one thing. Wes.
No.
Wes.
No.
Wes. Then
No.
just at least take your hand off the end. All right, so everybody, I'm going to serenade you with some smooth music, courtesy of me and a baseball bat. That will be live next Tuesday. So,
Are you sure? The audience just hates you now.
so,
We're not
So,
going to say.
Okay.
so,
Okay, that's it, folks.
so, hey,
Why have I
one
never
thing,
thought of this?
one thing, ladies and gentlemen, June bugs. That's all.